I'm Aviatar from ThermoTerra, and I'm here to talk to you about humidity power. Most people know about solar or wind as renewable sources, but not many people know that there's a lot of energy potential in humidity fluctuations in the air. The problem is with the buildings. Buildings represent 30% of world energy use. Half of that just for heating and cooling. Legacy intensive air conditioning systems are still common despite their energy intensity. This causes a huge effect on climate. There's no solution yet that shows the full potential of natural environmental humidity fluctuations. What am I talking about? When water evaporates, it absorbs energy, creating a cooling effect. This is why heating works. The inverse is also true. When water vapor is absorbed, heat is generated. At night, humidity is higher as the air is cool, while during the day, humidity lowers. ThermoTerra harvests the potential energy lying in these natural fluctuations in humidity. SmartWall, our product, is just like ventilated facade. Ventilated facades passively circulate external air, creating a layer separating the building from the sun radiation and reducing the building temperature. ThermoTerra SmartWall is fitted directly onto building exterior, just like ventilated facade. But SmartWall is active. SmartWall charges at night, absorbing water when ambient humidity is high. During the stored water evaporates, which absorbs energy and cools the building. What effect does that have? Let's look at the building. The hot temperature is outside, trying to cool itself to lower temperatures. With 30 degrees outside and 20 degrees required temperature, the HVAC system in the building will have to work a certain amount. But if ThermoTerra SmartWall is installed, there's a layer around the building, the envelope, of 25 degrees in this example, meaning that the HVAC systems will work less, thus reducing energy need and reducing costs. Looking at one piece, we can see how we cool during when full of humidity from the night. Dry air from over the material, the air to cool and the envelope to reduce. Now this requires a lot of logistics and a lot of production. We're not planning as a startup to do that ourselves. We will partner with entities in the market who will market, manufacture, sell, and install our products to building owners, leveraging existing distribution and marketing networks for route to market while reducing costs required by us. We deliver high value for customers or partners. With 150 kilowatt hour per office, with a cost of $0.3 per kilowatt hour, and with our savings, we can reach a calculate 30% 5-year return on investment, while still providing great margins for ourselves and our partners. You can see that with a relatively small amount of partners, a relatively small amount of projects, we still have a forecast of 20 million revenue. We're already in touch with a few players in the market, including end clients such as WeWork or Apple, and installers or partners such as FICHET in Israel and AUS as an architectural firm. We have 2 granted patents, and we were mainly sponsored by ourselves and by a grant from the Ministry of Infrastructure. The founders are Dror and myself. We both have 20 years of experience as engineers and environmentalists. We've worked with various environmental technologies and in various capacities. We are supported by both scientific advisory to PhD in physics, and the strategy and finance team coming from Morgan Stanley merger and acquisition. And thank you for this opportunity, and please get in touch. Goodbye.